When monitoring pulmonary artery pressure, you may wish to obtain a pulmonary artery wedge pressure, which is a useful method of assessing cardiac function. To start a wedge procedure, select Wedge to display the Wedge Procedures window. Prepare and check the pressure line according to your hospital policy. When performing a wedge pressure, do not set the PAP waveform scale to optimum, as the resulting pressure waveform will fall below the lower scale. The accuracy of the wedge pressure relies on taking the pressure at the end of the respiration cycle when the intrathoracic pressure is fairly constant. Use the reference wave 1 and 2 pop-up keys to select any ECG or respiratory wave as reference waves. Select wave speed if you want to synchronize all displayed waves to your preferred speed. When the monitor prompts you with this message, inflate the balloon. The waveform changes from the PAP to the PAWP wave. The measurement takes approximately 12 seconds. On completion, the monitor stores the PAWP waveform display and prompts you to deflate the balloon. If the monitor cannot detect a wedging waveform, you must use Store Trace to store the wedge and 2 reference waves manually. If you need to start a new measurement, select Restart Wedge. To edit the wedge, select the Edit Wedge pop-up key to see the stored waveforms. The monitor displays a horizontal and vertical cursor in the waveform at the wedge pressure mean value. It also displays any previously stored value and the time it was stored. Move the cursors up, down, right, and left to set them on the correct wedge position. Select Store Wedge to store the PAWP value. Use Print Wedge to print the PAWP waveform and any reference waves, or Record Wedge to record them. While recording or printing, you cannot perform any more wedge tasks.